Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you hearing my voice for the first time, you're highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you all. For today's video, I will be sharing with you a very detailed, gorgeous Igbo makeup tutorial, and I'm sure you're gonna love this one. Just sit back and watch this video to the end. Oh yes, we are back to the tutorial proper, and this is our gorgeous model for today's look. So starting off, we're gonna be cleaning the face with the Ghanaian micellar water, making sure our face is properly clean. Then we'll go in with the Mehon skin prep. This is a toner, and I don't joke with this, especially for my brides that have oily skin. They went straight to hydrating her skin. So when it comes to hydrating the skin, it comes in different steps. First, you do hydrating spray, which the hydrating spray we use today is the Daba hydrating spray. Then we move straight to the serum. We use the watermelon serum, and now you're using this moisturizer Embryolisse for her, and see how moisturized and how hydrated her skin is already. And make sure you use your fan to dry in all the products you use. Like everything should sit properly into her skin to give you that flawless and gorgeous after look. Take it. Then for her primer, we use the Aqua Grip primer from Miss Metic. And now just take a good look at this foundation match. This foundation match is everything that you can think of. We didn't use only that particular primer. We also use the mattifying primer from One Size. So you know, when I talk about oil skin, I always use different kind of primer for the oily skin. You guys know this already. If you're always in my channel, you know that the primer you use for a dry skin and the primer you use for an oily skin person, or even a combination skin person, they're definitely not the same thing. Take it. So for today's video, I don't want to disturb you guys so much. I want you to watch this video and learn something from it. So I'm going to allow you to watch this video to the end. But before then, please and please like my video. Like my video, like my video. When you finish watching it and you enjoy watching it, just hit the like button. Then as simple as that. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you love what I do, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, please. And one other thing again, drop something in the comment section. If you don't have any question, just drop I love you in the comment section, and you know I'm going to reply you back because I love you too. Please, I want you guys to help me, encourage me to keep doing what I'm doing, because I enjoy doing it, and for you I will do it again and again. Thank you so much, guys. So let me not talk too much. Let me allow you to watch this video to the end, and I will come back to come see if you have any question. Right? See you. yes, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial so much as well as I did. This is the end of our tutorial, and this is so beautiful. See how gorgeous our beautiful bride is. So mind blowing, so beautiful. So guys, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'm right there to answer all your questions. And please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like it. Oh, promise me that you're going to like it. Like it. Oh, thank you very much, and God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop all your thoughts in the comment section, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay loved, and stay fabulous. I love you. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Bye bye.